With the Oxford concept, you can be outfitted from head to toe. Our pants with comfortable stretch materials and cotton uppers make this concept an everyday choice for a range of work. The Oxford winter jacket will give you warmth and comfort throughout the winter season. While it's cold outside, the last thing you should worry about is your gear. This jacket combines durable fabrics, where they're needed, with stretch material for full freedom of movement. The Oxford fleece jacket is available in 3 colors and is made of warm, lightweight Polartec fleece known for its performance, durability and comfort. Among the main benefits offered by Polartec are warmth without added weight, breathability, compact size, and quick drying. You can also wear this item under your Helly jacket for extra warmth. These lightweight cotton work pants with 3% elastane blend provide comfort throughout your workday. The cotton fabric allows professionals to cope with all situations, and there are also construction and work pant versions in navy and black. 5 cm extra leg length is at your disposal when needed.